happy to share our enthusiasm for the upcoming SARA conference that will take place here in Johannesburg, South Africa from the 20th to the 23rd of August this year. So let me tell you about Gibela Rail. We are a leading force in the rail industry, focusing on developing and manufacturing state-of-the-art rolling stock. Our approach to the industry is very inclusive in that we develop the entire ecosystem in which we operate. That includes the communities and the small businesses in our area of operations. We have a dedicated economic development function that runs a number of socio-economic programs that uplift the communities in which we operate and the suppliers that we work with. Our transformation-biased approach and our commitment to innovation and excellence in the rail industry positions us well to intervene in the region and in the continent. We pride ourselves in our state-of-the-art facilities, in our highly skilled workforce, very youthful workforce, and in our ability to produce products of the highest quality, which would be good for the region and for the continent. Our achievement in reaching the fastest rolling stock production rate globally bears testament to our capabilities. We are excited to be attending this year's SARA conference. This event provides an important platform for industry players and stakeholders to connect, collaborate, and share insights about the industry. For Gibela, the value proposition lies in the opportunity to engage with industry leaders, potential partners, and to share our insights in the industry. It is also an opportunity for us to demonstrate our capability, our innovation, and in rolling stock manufacturing, in services, which also includes the repair center that we have here in South Africa. At the SARA conference, the Gibela team will include our board of directors, will include our executives, our technical experts from the engineering department, from the sourcing department, and certainly from the supply chain department, amongst others. We encourage you to engage with them as you see them in the panels, as they present some papers, and definitely by our exhibition stall. We're looking forward to engaging with you. For suppliers who are interested in engaging with us at the SARA conference, we are particularly looking for possible collaborations in manufacturing solutions that can improve our local content. We are looking for partners that potentially can localize some components, improve our manufacturing solutions to make us more optimum and proficient in our production. Lastly, I urge all industry stakeholders to join us at the SARA conference this year. It is not just a conference, it is a meeting of minds, people who want to change this industry and propel our region and the continent forward. Come and join us, let's seize the opportunity, and I look forward to seeing you all there.